Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and we are at the Deutsche Marque event today. This incredible multi-German club event. Great vendors, great people, and I want to show you around. All right, guys, using this gorgeous M6 as my backdrop. What a day today. The event is winding down. This has been so much fun. If you missed it, man, you missed out today. Incredible vendors, beautiful cars. Probably the biggest turnout for the Deutsche Marque event ever. We at this point, we don't have an official count. We're probably looking at maybe 200 cars, maybe, give or take. But incredible day. All the proceeds going to charity. Some amazing raffle items that were just fantastic. I am so grateful, and I just can't list all the vendors here off the top of my head and all the great people who donated. Make sure to check the video comments. I will have everything there for all the amazing people who contributed to this event. So if you missed it, man, you missed it. Make sure to check it out next year. It should be even bigger and better next year. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to check out my YouTube channel. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference to me, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.